I'm here with Phil Davis, who is Mr. QED, and Linda. Well, it's Armor Home is the owner of QED, and Linda is actually going to make for us a cable. We're here at the Bristol show. Maybe you're going to explain exactly what Linda's going to do?
Yes, it's no problem. What we have here is the QED airlock speaker cable termination being terminated onto the QED Revelation speaker cable, which is our new 5-star Watt Hi-Fi award-winning speaker cable, which retails at £15 a metre. What Linda's
That's a good deal.
It's a very good deal. Even better deal today at the Bristol show. What Linda's currently doing here is stripping away the cable, the outer jacket of the cable. Then she has to individually remove the outer sheath from 9 individual cores inside. When she terminates the airlock onto the speaker cable, the airlock speaker cable termination offers 3 unique benefits that isn't on offer from any other speaker cable brand. What you have here is a cold weld. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to remove any oxidisation from the copper or the silver material that's inside. As soon as copper is exposed to oxygen, it starts to oxidise, and over time, any speaker cable that has this will result in degradation of the signal over a period of time, especially if you live by the sea. We have a lot of reports from people who live near the sea where their cables start to rust all the way down the cable within about 6 months. So what we're trying to do is this is an attempt to create what is a complete airlock, so all the conductors inside are protected and won't oxidise. The second benefit of this is strength. Once this is on there, you can apply over 100 pounds of pressure to the cable, to the plug itself, and you'll never actually be able to get it off there, which is a common fault of a lot of speaker cable termination, that it will slip off when it's in the back of the speaker or in the back of the binding post on the amplifier. And number 3, what this does, unlike any other speaker cable termination, is maintain the geometry of the cable into the plug. If you imagine when you're terminating a speaker cable with a standard screw-lock banana plug, when you're screwing down, what you're actually doing is screwing into the conductor geometry and therefore compressing it at on a one-sided angle, therefore sort of damaging the geometry that's travelled all the way down the cable. What this does is apply a cold weld on all 4 sides of the cable, so it's compressed in an equal symmetrical form, which therefore means that the conductor geometry and all the signal travelling down it can maintain itself the whole way into the cable. So what you're doing is you're encompassing the strength of the signal you've already created. You're providing a cold weld, protecting it from oxidisation and making it incredibly strong.
Well, if people want more information, they can click to your website, which
is... Yes, they can. If they visit qed.co.uk, they'll be able to find out a lot more about all of our speaker cable and airlock termination.
Well, thank you very much, Linda. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Looking forward to seeing you again soon.